Dear students, very good afternoon. Today we are going to see some important problems under ordinary differential equations. So can you take down the problems? So the problem today we are going to discuss is about about a type sin ax and cos ax, sin ax and cos ax. So this type is very important. This type is very important. I would like to find a proper problem. Okay, so now we are going to use a separate method for this type of problems, that is for sin ax or cos ax. Already we had discussed about right hand side equal to e power x. Already we had discussed RHS equal to e power x. In this you replace d by a, whereas in this you replace d square by minus a square. D square by minus a square. Don't confuse, it is not equal to minus a the whole square. Don't get confused. Okay, it is minus a square. Okay, now I am going to teach you two different separate methods. So for this, please take down the problem. The problem is solve d square minus 4d plus 4 into y equal to e power equal to cos 2x equal to cos 2x plus sin 3x. So I am going to write first. Auxiliary equation is given by m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. It implies m minus 2 into m minus 2 equal to 0. It implies m equal to 2, repeating twice. Therefore the roots are real and equal. If roots are real and equal, you will have the complementary function as ax plus b into e power 2x. Okay, pi will be 1 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 into cos 2x. This is your pi1, and I am going to find pi2 simultaneously. So pi2 is pi2 equal to 1 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 into sin 3x. Okay, so here we have to replace d square by minus 2 square, that is minus 4. Here we have to replace d square by minus 3 square, that is minus 9. So you will get pi1 equal to 1 divided by minus 4d plus 4 of cos 2x. Here you will get 1 divided by minus 9 minus 4d plus 4 of sin 3x. Okay, and after that here in pi1 these two terms will get cancelled, and 1 by minus 4d will become minus 1 by 4 of 1 by d of cos 2x, and here you will have 1 by minus 5 minus 4d into sin 3x. I can write this as minus 1 divided by 5 plus 4d, I shall write 4d plus 4d plus 5. I am taking conjugate, so it will become 4d minus 5 divided by 4d minus 5 of sine 3x. So now you will have minus 4d, so 5 minus 4d divided by 16d square minus 25. This is a plus b, a minus b, which will give you a square minus b square. So 5 minus 4d of sine 3x, which will imply 5 minus 4d divided by, you have to replace this d by this d square by minus 9. So it is minus 144. 16 into 9 is 16 into minus 9 is minus 144, minus 25 is minus 169 of sine 3x. Sine 3x. So you will get here you are having, yes, now yes, now you can write it as minus 5 by 169 of sine 3x, then it will become plus 4. So plus 4, differentiation of sine 3x is 3 cos 3x. So your PA2 will be 1 by 169 of 4 3s are 12 cos 3x minus 5 sine 3x. This is your PA2. Okay, whereas your PA1 is minus 1 by 4 into integration of cos 2x. This is integration of 2. Okay, 1 by d means integration. You have to remember this. 1 by d means integration. D means differentiation. Integration. D means differentiation. Okay, you have to remember this all the time. This is very important. Okay, now the differentiation of cos 2x is given by minus 1 by 4 into sine 2x by 2, that is minus sine 2x by 8. This is your PA1. This is your PA1. So your solution is y equal to CF plus PA. So what is your CF? AX CF plus PA. Y equal to CF plus PA. CF is AX plus B into e power 2x PA1 plus PI2. PA1 is minus sine 2x by 8. PA2 is 1 by 169 of 12 cos 3x, then minus 5 sine 3x. So this is your solution. Now I am going to teach another method. How to find this PA1 and PA2. Okay, I am going to teach you another method. how to find aliter. This aliter means another method. Pi1 equal to 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 into cos 2x, and here Pi2 equal to 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 into sine 3x. Now this is 1 divided by cos 2x can be written as real part of e power of 2ix, and the denominator is same, and here you will have 1 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 into imaginary part of e power 3ix. Okay, you have to know one thing. E power of iax, okay, I shall write e power of, I shall write here see, for understanding, e power of iax equal to cos ax plus I sin ax, whereas this cos ax can be written as cos ax equal to real part of e power of iax. This sin ax can be written as imaginary part of e power of iax. This iax can be written as aix. For our better understanding, we can write that also. Okay, so can you take it down? Now we shall continue the problem. Okay, now we shall continue the problem. So we shall continue the problem here. So when it is in the form of e power ax, for e power x type you have to replace d by a. So here you have to replace d by 2i. Here you have to replace d by 3i. Okay, that is your a. So you will get 1 divided by 2 square is 4, I square is minus 1. So minus 4. You have to know this, I square equal to minus 1. Okay, so minus 4 minus 4d plus 4 into real part of e power of 2ix, then here you will get 1 divided by 9 is 9 minus 9 minus 4d plus 4, sorry, it is minus 9, then minus 12i, it will become minus 12i, then plus 4 into imaginary part of e power of 3ix. This is, actually this is here also a mistake. It is 4 into 2 is 8, so minus 8i, it is minus 8i. It is minus 8i plus 4. So these two will get cancelled. You will get 1 divided by minus 8i into real part of e power 2ix, and here you will get 1 divided by minus 9 plus 4 is minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5, then minus 12i into imaginary part of e power 3ix. Okay. Now one important thing is you are not supposed to take this minus to the numerator. Okay, because here you are having only minus 8i. Okay, so this can be written as 1 divided by 0 minus 8i. This is the in the form of alpha plus I beta, and its conjugate will be alpha minus I beta. So we will get 0 plus 8i divided by 0 plus 8i. You are not supposed to take minus to numerator, because then this will become plus, and if the denominator becomes plus means you will multiply the conjugate by minus and minus. The meaning may vary, and you may get sometimes you may get a wrong answer. Into real part of cos 2x plus I sin 2x. Okay, and this is here the minus is common. Here you can take minus commonly outside, and that minus can be brought to the numerator. So minus 1 divided by 5 plus 12i into 5 minus 12i divided by 5 minus 12i into imaginary part of cos 3x divided by cos 3x plus I sin 3x. Dear students, here the minus is common, whereas here minus is not common. The real part is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so be careful while solving this. So solve it as it is. Okay, so we will get 8i divided by 8 square is 64, I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into minus will become plus 1, so we will get 8i by 64. Okay, so 8i divided by 8 square is 64, I square is minus 1, minus 1 is minus is plus 64. I am writing the real part in the front. So real part of 8i by 64 into cos 2x plus I sin 2x. This is your PI1. Okay, here for PI2 you will get imaginary part of it can be written as 5 minus 12 divided by 5 square is 25, then 12 square is 144, means it will become plus 144 into cos 3x plus I sin 3x. So real part can be obtained when you are multiplying two real parts or two imaginary parts. So you are having one imaginary part here and one imaginary part here, so you can multiply that. So I into I is minus 1, or simply you can write real part of 8i r. Okay. A part of I into 8 cos 2x, I square is minus 1, no, so minus 8 sin 2x divided by 64. What is real part? The term which is not having I is real part, so the answer is PI1 equal to minus this 8 and 64 will get cancelled to give minus 8 by 64 of sin 2x. It will imply PI1 equal to minus sin 2x by 8. This is your PI1. Okay, this is your PI1. Now PI2 is given by imaginary part of. Imaginary part can be obtained by multiplying a real part with imaginary part and imaginary part with real part. So we'll get P82 equal to 1 by 169 of 1 by 169 of 5 sine 3x minus 12 cos 3x. We shall check the answer. Minus 5 sine 3x cos 3x minus 5 sine 3x. Okay, we shall check the sign. Minus 9 minus 12i plus 4. Yeah, that is, you are not supposed to change the sign. You are not supposed to change the sign, so don't change the sign. Okay, write it as it is. Okay, write it as it is, because changing the sign will give you the wrong answer. Here itself we have seen the example. So the conjugate is given by 1 divided by minus 5 minus 12i into minus 5 plus 12i divided by minus 5 plus 12. Don't change the sign. I have shown it with the example also. If you change the sign of the terms, it will give you a wrong answer. Okay, so what are the terms you are having? Please make use of the terms as it is. So imaginary part of cos 3x plus I sin 3x equal to, here you will get minus 5 plus 12i divided by a plus b into a minus b. This a minus b and a plus b. So a square 25 plus 144. 25 plus 144 of cos 3x plus I sin 3x. So you'll get they are only asking for the imaginary part, so they are only asking for imaginary part. Multiply this, that is multiply everything, you will get minus 5. Okay, it is not necessary to multiply, but if you want to multiply also you can multiply, but I shall tell you easily, one easiest way. Minus 5 into sin 3x. Okay, minus 5 into sin 3x and 12 into cos 3x. So you will get 12 cos 3x minus 5 sin 3x divided by 169. We shall check the above solution. 12 cos 3x minus 5 sin 3x by 169. So this is your P82. Now the P82 is correct. P82 equal to 12 cos 3x minus 5 sin 3x by 169. Okay, so the important note is when you are changing cos ax or sin ax to e power iax, okay, don't change the sign of the denominator while conjugate multiplication. So this is important note. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed the problem, and we shall meet on some other problem on another day. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you all once again.